How to prevent automatic update to Firefox 57.0 Quantum? So at work, my Firefox got automatically updated to 57.0 Quantum, since I have automatic updates enabled. Turns out that a lot of add-ons don't work anymore with 57.0, for example the Session Manager and the Tab Group add-on which I use extensively. It seems that I lost all but the current tab group which I'm not very happy about. Now, at home I use the same add-ons and I'd like to prevent losing my tab groups, so I'm looking for a way to disable automatic updates, which are enabled, before I start Firefox so that I get a chance to save/export my tab groups and find a solution that will work with 57.0 before actually updating to 57.0. How can I do that?
The solution to disable automatic updates without running Firefox is as follows. Os Windows. Edit the file, prefs.js, located in %updated%. C: mar. Make sure the line user_pref_app.update.enabled false is present in the file. If it isn't, edit or modify it. Ignore the warning that this file should not be edited. Save and close the file. Start and use Firefox without having to worry about automatic updates. Optional, note the button check for updates in the About Firefox dialog box. Of course, do not click it until you are prepared and ready to receive the update.
An alternative solution to blocking all updates is to move to a fork of Firefox which will keep the XUL add-on format, now called Legacy by Firefox, while still installing security updates. Two Firefox forks that keep the legacy add-ons are WaterFox, the one recommended by Mozilla, Pale Moon. I have tried Pale Moon, and it very nicely imported all my add-ons and profile data. Screen layout was lost and so some small customizations were still required, but in general this is now an exact duplicate of my Firefox version 56, except that it still does security updates.
Better off changing user_pref_app.update.mode 1 to 2. Why? App.update.mode uses an integer value, default 1, to decide the behavior of updating. If you modify this value, you are not altering the developer's code by injecting your own custom code or stopping upgrades altogether. The following is from this URL. Integer, app.update.mode default 1 defines the policy by which background downloads are done, and the amount of user prompting that is required. 0. Download all update types, major/minor, without user intervention, regardless of incompatible extensions installed. They should just be disabled after the update restart. 1. Download all update types, major/minor, only if there are no incompatibilities with enabled extensions, prompt with UI otherwise. 2. Download minor updates only, prompt for major updates, regardless of whether or not all enabled extensions are compatible. An upgrade to Quantum is definitely a major upgrade.
Open your Firefox preferences and use the built-in search bar, present since version 56, to look for update, then check the option to never update automatically. That's not recommended though, since you won't get security updates. You can use the latest long-term support release instead, this URL.
In Windows 7 I went to appdata/local/mozilla/update. In the update folder, delete whatever is there. Also never check your current version and help about Firefox, as this will get you back onto the update treadmill again.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.